Hello everybody, this is Boi from Mama Boi's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to share with you my all-time Thanksgiving fruit punch. This punch, guys, is so easy to make. I guarantee your family will really love it, and I know your kids will absolutely love it. It's super inexpensive, very budget friendly. So let me show you how I make it. Into my glass jar beverage dispenser, I'm going to add 2 gallons of apple cider, next I'm adding in half a gallon of orange juice, I'm also adding in half a gallon of white grape juice, and we are also adding in pineapple juice. Next, we are going to garnish with sliced red apples, we are also adding in sliced oranges, we are also adding in green apples, add cinnamon sticks, then we're gonna give it a good stir. Then we're gonna chill this for several hours. There you have it, guys. Mama Boi's Thanksgiving punch. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Please stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.